Hey, what's going on, guys? Gals, guys. Anyways, I just kind of wanted to show you all um while loops. Okay. And I'm gonna use this past homework because, to be honest, I feel like I don't know enough to just create my own thing. So I'm just gonna explain how I came to this conclusion, and it passed. Um, but hopefully, by explaining it, maybe I can understand it better too. Okay, so in this instance, it's here are the instructions, right, from way up here. And it says the method returns the given age and weight in a certain output. Okay, so right here we are given parameters, so it needs to be the age limit is from 0 to 150, which in my opinion is pretty generous, right? Like the age inputted needs to be bigger than 0, and it needs to be less than 150. Okay. Um what is it? Oh, weight. It needs to be, you can't weigh less than 0, and or excuse, yeah, you can't weigh less than 0, and then the height is no more than 8 feet and 4 inches, Again, pretty damn generous. I don't know anybody that's 8 feet. Uh and then okay, right, no is 100 inches. Oh, maybe I could have done a conversion situation. Okay. But anyways, this is how I figured it out. Like, this is the input, right? That was decided by the creators of this program. So they decided they're gonna put in 100, 5, and 6, right? And what you need to do as the person writing the code, you're supposed to output the age is 100, the height is 5'6", right? Again, from using the input that they put in. So they put 100, 5, and 6. So here we have 100, 5, and 6, right? And that's the same. So let's take a look at the one that says age or height is out of the range. So here, since the first number is our age, and we said you cannot be older than 150, they put the age is 155. So therefore, it needs to return age or height is out of range. Age or height is out of range, okay? Because it doesn't fit within our parameters, okay? So those are the instructions, right? And if it doesn't fit within these parameters, it needs to say age or height is out of range, okay? And so this is given to us. So it's the public static string, age and height. So that's the name of this particular method. We already have our intervals defined, or our integers defined. So it's age, feet, and inches. Okay. So what I decided to do is I did three different strings, right? Because we had three different integers. So in string A, I put age, a little, what is it, colon? And then I purposely did like a little space right here just to make sure that, I had the space here already defined. Okay, there's other ways to do it, but I just think this way is easier because I can like see it, like I can see it in real time. Also because I don't know any other way. Okay, so this is saying age, right? So this is what I'm printing. This right here, up to this space here. No, plus, and then the age that is inputted by the user. So in this instance, it is 100. Okay, plus another set of quotations and a little comma to make sure that I have this right here. Okay. And then string B. So the same thing. I made sure I put like the little special characters, like what is going to be there no matter what. So no matter what, the height and the semicolons are going to be there regardless of what the number of the input that person uses, right? Okay. So these are my three strings. So um here I put a loop, okay, using if else statement. So let's take a look at this and like break it down. So here we're saying if the age is greater than 0, and so notice the double and sign, and age is less than 150, and feet is greater than 0, and inches is greater than 0, then I want you to return A and B. Okay, so A and B meaning string A and B. So I want you to say age plus, I want you to actually say age, put the number that the user gave you, i.e., 100 in the first scenario. I want you to put a little comma, and I want you to print height, semicolon, and then I want you to put the feet in the inches, and I want you to put a little string on top, or a little one of these. Okay. But if these conditions are not met, the specific conditions are not met, I just want you to return C, because something is out of limits, right? Because these are the limits that we gave, nothing outside of this. And so, for example, the last example, since the age is out of limits, it doesn't matter about the height or it. Yeah, the height doesn't matter. The only thing that matters um, is that the age is out of the limits. So in this instance, what we'll return is age or height is out of range. And of course, you got to make sure that you close all brackets. So these are the outer ones. These are the smaller ones that are in the inside. And that is all. So hopefully that explains that a little bit better. The loops a little bit better. So yeah, where's my stop button?